All right, so what I'm going to do here is make a little Pico de Gallo, but it's going to be kind of my version because there's a couple of things in regular Pico de Gallo that I don't care for. I'm not a big cilantro fan, even though I do like coriander, so I don't, go figure that one. And then also jalapeno peppers. They're okay, but it's not my favorite, so I'm just going to use a regular pepper. So anyway, first I'm going to, and normally when I do this, I'll peel the tomato, and you can peel it however you like over if you have gas, or blanch it in some hot water and it'll peel. But if you have a good vegetable peeler, you can do it that way. And I like to get it peeled and squeeze the juice out, and then put it in a strainer and put a little salt on it and let that draw more of the moisture out. But I'm kind of short on time here, so I'm just gonna let it rip and do it. So first I'm just gonna core out the center of the tomato, and then if you get a good vegetable peeler, it makes pretty good work of it. You just go in a circle right around and when you go down, and there is that nicely peeled. Now I'm going to cut it in half. Now normally I wouldn't waste this juice. If I was making like tacos or something, I would put this in with the meat. I wanted a banana pepper, but they didn't have one. So I got just this, and I always peel these as well. This makes it a lot more easy to digest if you get heartburn like I do. This works out really well. All right, so I got every place that I could. Now I'll cut in the pleats. And then you clean up the little bits that you missed. And then some parsley here. It's looking a little wilted, but it'll be all right. Now a red onion. And I'm going to cut this onion so that it's in long, skinny pieces, not little chopped up pieces, because I like the texture. See, the nice long pieces like that. That's how I like it. And that's not typical for Pico de Gallo. And then some lime juice. All right, this is not typical for Pico de Gallo either, which is olive oil, but I like it. And then a little bit of Tabasco. And there is that.